for the door. And after that, we're gonna peel it off and stick this where we need it. Pop in the bottom. Okay. Then I'm gonna install the bottom here. I put permanent. I like you drill, but it's okay. Tie it the best we can, not too hard. Gonna broke the glasses. Alright. After that, I'm gonna need one. Leave it here. Just one person work. And screwdriver. And I'm gonna lift the glass. He installed by myself. Put it in. Then I drop. Put that up. And I'm gonna slide the glass in. Sometimes this one a little tight. I lose it. Okay, now go in. I'm gonna tie it back. That's it.